straight at it and was looking right at it. He's like, fuck that, it looks fucking funny. But there's two more coming this way. There's three of them coming this way. Ooh, here comes a down bluegill, man. Get away. I want no bluegill. See if I get in this little hole right here. Perfect little cast. Maybe something will see it. Maybe something won't. I don't know. Only way to find out is to cast. Ooh, something has it. Got him. It's another bass, baby. Let's go. Today's the day, baby. It's number 4. I wish Jordan would have came. I really wish Jordan would have came. Ooh, that hook came right out. Look. Yep, that hook wasn't even in him. Leeches or anything on him or in him. Oh, he's good. Number 4. There he goes, look. The walk of shame. The swim of shame.